Mga kasugbo, hapit na sab ang December, which means uso na sab ang mga get-together and overnight stay to celebrate Christmas. And what better way to have it than to experience at Nustar Resort Cebu? Unsa may naka-espesyal ni ini? Kuyugi ko og atong sa taon karon. Tara! Nustar Resort Cebu is a premier 5-star integrated resort in Cebu, redefining luxury with world-class gaming, entertainment, events, and exclusive shopping and dining offerings. The name also alludes to the Northern Star that acts as a beacon. Sama sa hayag nga bituon, ang Nustar mihatag sa paglaom alang sa usa ka one-of-a-kind experience sa tibuok isla sa Sugbo, nga usa ka premier tourist destination sa tibuok nasod. Ang Nustar naghatag og luxe accommodation sa ilang Philly Hotel Nustar Cebu, the Philippines' first authentic Filipino 5-star hotel. It combines opulence with Filipino hospitality nga may pasundayag sa lokal nga craftsmanship sa mga Pinoy.
Philly Hotel possesses a unique quality that effortlessly creates a sense of home for its guests. The ambiance exudes a comforting warmth that epitomizes Filipino hospitality. Its design, blending modern comfort and elegance, encapsulates a signature brand of Filipino hospitality, uniquely Philly. Throughout the hotel, modern interpretations of Filipino elements are seamlessly woven into the design. For instance, the Philly Lobby Lounge boasts intricate weaving patterns on its walls, and the lobby's chandelier draws inspiration from the captivating spectacle of the sardine run. Complemented by panoramic sea views, these elements create a tranquil and inspiring ambiance for our guests.
Sa tanang room sa hotel, ang villa maoy labing mahal puy-an because it offers an expansive and luxe interior. Ang matag villa adunay kaugalingon nga sauna and gym and an infinity pool that blends seamlessly with the ocean views. Kung kamo gilaay sa room, you can stroll down the mall and enjoy various boutiques and restaurants. The mall offers a luxury retail experience with brands like Chow Tai Fook Jewelry, Look Fook Jewelry, Joe Malone, Estee Lauder, Diagold, and soon Rolex, Burberry, Off-White, Universe, Porsche Design, Tory Burch, and Boss.
We are inviting our kasugbo to visit Cebu and experience for yourself the first and only Filipino 5-star hotel brand, Philly Hotel. Your home away from home awaits. Experience true Filipino hospitality like never before.
Kung kamo gigutom human sa shopping, you can head over to their in-house restaurants at Fina and El Primo to satisfy your gastronomic cravings. Dinhi nga restaurant, matilawan ninyo ang pipila ka mga Filipino dishes gikan sa Cebu ug sa ubang bahin sa nasod. While at El Primo, Cebu's first Italian steakhouse, premium quality steaks are cooked on a Jasper grill for superior flavor. Diners are also treated to a curated selection of authentic Italian flair, signature beverages, and an extensive wine list. So there you have it mga kasugbo, mo kini ang Nustar Resort Cebu nga nahimutang diri sa South Road Properties. Kuyugi ko kanunay sa pagdigsube sa Sugbo aron kita makaingon IDI nading ani sa Sugbo. This is Mark. Until next time. Back to you, Santina and Nova.